Lovely.
Feel.
Beautiful. There we go. Nice. Stiffen the upper neck. Both sides?
More thoracic.
Oh, as in like mid-back?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. But neck's okay? You're very tight through mid there.
Yeah.
I can feel it as I press.
Yeah, I can feel it on the rollers.
You could feel it on the rollers? Okay. On your side, face me this way. Hold nice and tight. There we go. Lovely.
Feel that, right?
Yeah.
In the thigh.
In the thigh?
Yeah.
Like the groin.
Is it abductor?
Abductor. This side for me. Relax your shoulder there. Beautiful. On your back for me. Okie dokie. There we go. Nice. Good. Same again. Breathe in. Let that go. Beautiful. There it is. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Good. Have a seat, swing your legs round to the left-hand side for me. How's that feeling?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?